Hello, good night. Morning. Scallywang. Posol wagwan. Shabba. Whoa. 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 Yo, my boss. Yo, my bad chargy. Yo, me do. Hey, that part. Wow. Kaboom. Giggity G's. Hey, my bro, coming on the money. What you say now?
Nah, dance room, me a dance class. Getting too crazy dance class. From me.
We want drop a gun like a seesaw. Madras. Yo, whip wap, do sound of drop. Bumbo class.
Nah, dance room, me a dance class. Getting too crazy dance class. From me say teacher fit back in the class. Dog where you deaf and everybody let me see you.
We say jam them say jello, we say wagwan them say hello. Wagwan good dog. Dirty drunk crow. Dog. Hey, you wanna know some of my mind just run for you know? Yeah man say alright, take it black and put it on top of that. Jane, you should take that. Shoot. No, Virgin. You know, I'm trying to, Virgin, not do that. Not do that. Zine? Yeah, hello? Yes, man, I must some money and give me a no. Fly by the beach by night, what happen? Kaka fat, I go have a big friend.
Nah, dance room, me a dance class. Getting too crazy dance class. From me say teacher fit back in the class. Everybody. Yeah!
Yo!
Yeah! Yo! Yeah!
Yo, now you yes. Whoa, me a tour if you tell you. Tip, they're not killing your teeth. I say, and you did still living, man. Man, I don't say remember nothing more people like me.
Hello?
Oh, I know. Alright, Stoney, are you? Swear, I'm a baby mother call me, man. I'll be a private number since you call me upon you.
Me can't know. Call me back. Me dey in a church, call me back. Me dey my daughter with me, no like him, man. But call me back. You do an exam, call me back. Me a shit, call me back.
Boss, I call me. And I'm gonna walk you.
Nah, dance room, me a dance class. Getting too crazy.
Quick side note, if you have nothing doing, Friday, November 1st, if you have nothing to do, me I tell you, all if you have something to do, you go on there, Hardwire.
The new mass camp, Stadium North.
Now ask me if the party at the shack. Alright, let me tell you, last year after me going, one girl wine for me so hard, see? She give me hardest wine me ever get. That me, the next day, I find myself for a doctor. Me go do a pregnancy test. That's how the party shot. So hard wine, Friday, November 1st. Make sure you get there because Lil Rick,
go down, took it and go.
you might go dead there. So if you love soca and you love to party hard and you want to bring me in the carnival season, hard wine. Make sure you see that. Like this video, share this video. This Kevin do crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Me gone.
Yes, man.